Welcome everyone. Today we are learning single drug from the Bhaishya Kalpana, second chapter, in which 2.1 Guduchi. First one is Guduchi Swarasa. Ingredients are drug name Guduchi. Useful part is stem. Proportion is 1 part. Procedure: take dry Guduchi stem, wash under running water to remove the dust. Soak 1 part of Guduchi in 4 parts of water overnight. Then in the morning, chop them in small pieces. Then crush using mortar and pestle. Then pour on a clean cloth and squeeze it. Obtain the liquid. Then after squeezing, we obtain some liquid. That liquid is called as Swarasa. What is the Anupana for this Guduchi Swarasa? Anupana is honey. Indication: it is indicated in all type of prameha. Pharmacodynamic: 5 points are written in pharmacodynamic. First one is it has Rasayana property. Second, improves the pancreatic function. Third, enhance insulin sensitivity. Fourth, diabetic management. Fifth, boost immunity. Pharmacokinetic: active components are absorbed, distributed, and interact with cellular properties. Research updates are significant efficiency in alleviating Madhumeha, management of Prameha, Kushta, and Jwara. This is all about Guduchi Swarasa. Next point is Guduchi Churna. For that, ingredient, useful part, and proportion chart is there. Ingredients are Guduchi, useful part stem, and proportion is 1 part. Every ingredient has proportion 1 part. So the ingredients are then next ingredient Ativisha, useful part root, Sunthi, Raizhuya, Kalameha, Nagarmantha, Pippali, Yavasara, Shuddha Kasisa. Its procedure: all ingredients taken equal quantity, powdered separately in khalva yantra, filtered through sieve or cloth, fry in little ghrita, then powder it. Pond in khalva yantra to get homogeneous mixture. After separately ponding in khalva yantra, we have to mix all of them and then pond in khalva yantra once again to get the homogeneous mixture. Store in airtight container after mixing together. Then Guduchi Kwatha. Ingredients are Guduchi stem 1 part, Nimba bark 1 part, Dhanyaka 1 part, Padmaka bark 1 part, Raktachandana bark 1 part. Water 16 times and it reduced to 1/16 part. Procedure is boil 1 pala coarse powder drug plus 16 parts of water and then reduce it to 1/8 part by boiling. Precautions are powder should be coarse. You should use earthen vessel or a chemically inert vessel. There should be mild or moderate temperature in boiling. Vessel, you should keep the vessel open, should not cover it while boiling, and continue stir it, which prevents sticking to the bottom of the vessel. Then the dose is 50 ml, indicated in Aruchi Pipasa Vamana. Next, Guduchi Hema. Ingredient is Guduchi stem 1 part and water 6 part. Procedure: take dry Guduchi stem, grind in khalva yantra, collect coarse powder in earthen pot, add 6 part of cold water into powder and soak it. Rub the soaked mixture with your hands. Filter the mixture through clean cloth. Collect the filtered liquid. That filtered liquid is called as hema. What is Anupana? Anupana is Madhu, indicated in types of Vamana. Pharmacodynamic: immunomodulatory effect, anti-inflammatory effect, adaptogenic effect, antioxidant properties. Pharmacokinetic, absorption, active compounds into water, then distribution via blood to all over the body. Metabolism occurred in liver, where the biotransformation occurs active forms and inactive forms. Excretion excreted to kidneys by urine and through GI tract by in the form of feces. Next, Gana. Guduchi Gana. Ingredients: Guduchi stem 1 part, water 4 part, reduced to 1 part. Procedure: Guduchi stem, take Guduchi stem, grind it in a vessel, add churna and 4 times of water. Then heat the soaked churna over the low flame, reduce to 1/4 part. Then filter through the clean cloth. After filtering, heat in take after filtering in a vessel, heat that vessel, which is stainless steel vessel, until that solution is that much thick to make the tablets. Then after heating, expose the tray to sunlight until completely dry. After completely drying, collect the material called Guduchi Ghana and store in airtight container. Dose is 250 to 500 mg. Indicated in Jwara, Rajayakshma, Pandu, Vishamajwara. Pharmacodynamic are immunomodulator and antipyretic properties, enhance body's immune response to infections and fevers, acts on hypothalamus regulating body's temperature. Pharmacokinetic, absorption through GI tract into the bloodstream, distribution distributed throughout the body, metabolism in liver where it transformed into active and inactive forms, excretion via kidney through urine and GI tract through feces. Guduchi Sattva. Ingredient: Guduchi stem 1 part, water 21 part. Procedure: stem cut into small pieces, then soak in water overnight. After soaking, strain through the cloth. Solid matters, let it sit for a while, where solid matters settle at bottom, and supernatant liquid, the above liquid is decanted sediment washed by adding water 21 times. Sediment dried and powdered. Then it is called as Guduchi Sattva. It's stored in airtight container. Dose is 1 gram. Anupana, honey. Indication: Raktapitta, Kashaya, Padadaha. Pharmacodynamics, immunomodulatory effect, anti-inflammatory and antipyretic effect, hepatoprotective effect, antihorridans effect, adaptogenic effect. Pharmacokinetic, absorption through GI tract, distribution throughout the body via blood, metabolism in liver where it transforms into motor active and inactive forms, and excretion by kidney in the form of urine and by GI tract in the form of feces. If you observe pharmacodynamics of most of the ingredients, most of the kalpanas is same. A research update. Antidote name is Quality Control Elevation of Guduchi Sattva. Author name Rohit Sharma. Result: it contains alkaloids, carbs and starch. Amrutadi Guggulu. Ingredients: Guduchi, Shuddha Guggulu, Haritaki, Brihatiki, Vatsanabha, water 12 liter, reduced to 3 liter. Danti, Chitraka, Pippali, Shunthi, Haritaki, Bibitaki, Amlaki, Guduchi, Tvak, Vidanga, Trivritra. Procedure is take 3 phala plus required quantity of water, then boil until reduced to 1/4 quantity. Filter the quatha to remove the solid residue. Add Guna, boil until thick. Add all the remaining drugs, mix thoroughly to make the homogeneous mass. Shape into large bolus. Roll into uniform pills. Dose is 250 to 500 mg. Indication Amlapitta, Kushta, Arsha. Pharmacodynamic, anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect. Digestive and carbonative effect. Detoxifying and antimicrobial effect. Immunomodulatory effect. Pharmacokinetics, absorption through GI tract, distribution via blood all over the body, metabolism in liver, active or inactive form, excretion, kidney, urine, GI tract, feces. Research updates. Article name is Amrutadi Gugulu. Author Jyoti Sharma. Result in a drug 50% weight loss due to the impurities. Amruta Arishta. Last point of Guduchi. Ingredients are Guduchi, Bilva, Shaunaka, Patala, Agnimantha, Shalaparni, Brahati, Gokshura, water decoction 49 liter and it reduced to 12 liter. Procedure. Make powder of Guduchi and all Dravya. Add water and soak overnight. Add 50 liters of water. Boil and reduce to 1/4 part. Over the plate, sprinkle some oil and then pour this mixture. Close the patra, that plate, with sandhi bandhana. Allow the mixture to ferment and then filter and store in an airtight container. Dose is 12 to 24 ml. Therapeutic uses all types of Jwara. Pharmacodynamics, antipyretic effect, anti-inflammatory and analgesic effect, antimicrobial and antiviral effect, immunomodulatory effect. Pharmacokinetic, absorption if taken orally, absorbed through GI tract. Distribution via bloodstream, metabolism in liver, excretion by kidney in the form of urine and by GI tract in the form of feces. Research act as natural immune booster with significant antipyretic properties. This is all about Guduchi. In the next lecture, we will be learning about Amlaki and further points will be discussed in further lectures. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching until the end.